So hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Students Corner. So now we'll start with chapter 5 quadratic equation, unit 2 algebra. Any equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or ax square plus bx is equal to 0 or ax square plus c is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. Means the highest power should be 2. Then it is called as quadratic equation. There are certain rules for solving a quadratic equation. First is the discriminant rule. It is to check that whether the roots are real or equal, imaginary or unequal. So the formula of discriminant, symbol is d, is b square minus 4ac. Means the square of the middle term minus 4 into first term into the third term. That is 4ac. If discriminant, that is d, after solving this, if d is equal to 0, then we can see that the roots are real and equal. If it is smaller than 0, means the negative value, then the roots are imaginary. The roots will be negative. But if the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. Next, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d, that is discriminant, by 2a. It can also be written as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. The value of d is put here on, divided by 2a. And the third formula is midterm split. You have learned this formula already in class 8 or 9. The thing which we do in midterm split is we divide the middle term, that is the b part, into two parts. So that the sum of both is equals to b, and the product of both the terms which was divided from b is equals to the product of a and c, that is first or third term or not. Means the middle term, here the middle term is split into two parts, such that after adding both, the term is equals to this term. But after multiplying this term, these two terms, the sum is equals to c and ax square, and that rule is called midterm split. So now we will solve exercise 5a. MCQ part C and D are homework, but the answer will be in the description box. MCQ 1 part A means 1 question number A. 4x square, send minus 9 to that side, will be positive. X square equals to 9 by 4, under root both sides, 9 by 4, and then we will get to plus minus 3 by 2. The reason why we put plus minus both sides is that it can be positive also, negative also. Means if we root plus 3 by 2 into plus 3 by 2, then plus will give plus, it will be plus under root with 9 by 4, the positive. But if we put negative here, then also the answer will be positive. So that's why it can be positive also or negative also. So here the option number 4 is correct. Next, question number 1 part B. First we have to open the brackets and then solve these two. X with x square, x with 5x, minus 3 and x, minus 3x, and minus 3 into 5 is minus 50, is equals to 0. Variables one side and constants one side. So x square is the part. So here it is already midterm split. rooted. So let's root. So now group it. It will be x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equals to 0. Now take out the common, x is common, it will be x plus 5 minus 3 is common, x plus 5. Here x minus 3 and in this question of part B, it is already near the end after middle split. So either x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 5. There are two options. So either this or that, either 3 or minus 5. The option number is option number 3. Now come to this part. X square is equals to 7x. Positive. X is equals to 7 x by x. 1x is sent here. We cut, so x is equals to 7. So it can be 7 also or 0 also. 0 is a default value here. So the option number is 4. It can be 0 also or 7 also. Next question number 2. I am solving the part 2. Part 1 and 3 are homework, but the answer will be in the description box. And this is a little chapter, so we have to move very quick so that we can cover more chapters in less time, and it will be helpful for you. First, open the braces. X into 3x, it will be 3x square. X into 1, that will be x, minus 4 into 3x, it will be 4 12x, 4 1 4, it equals to 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2. So 6 square will be cut. Now put the variables one side and the constants one side. X minus 12x minus 6x plus x equals to minus 2 plus 4, it will be 2. So this side. X minus 12x, that is 11x, 11x minus 6, that is 5x. Sorry. Add the negatives, you will get minus 18x plus 2x, so minus 16x. Now x equals to answer by 8. Sorry. So friends, here we have to find which of the following equations are quadratic. So quadratic means the highest power is 2. So we can see that the highest power of anyone does not comes as 2. It just comes as minus 16x plus 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. So friends, let's move on to question number 3. Part 1 is homework. I actually both are same. I will solve 3 part 2. So here it is given that the value of x is minus 3. You have to check that after putting the value of x as minus 3, the answer is 0 or not. If the answer is 0, then it will be a solution set. But if it is not 0, another value comes, then we can say that it's not a solution value. Friends, here the value of x is given as minus 3. We have to check that minus 3 is a root of this equation or not. If the answer comes as 0 after putting the root as minus 3, then we can say that it is the root. If it does not come as 0, other value comes, then 0, then we can say that it is not a root of it. Then let's solve it. Put minus 3 here. Into minus 3 square is 9. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 21 plus 9 goes to 0. Now in the 18, minus 21 plus 9 goes to 0. In the positive, add first. It is 7 minus 21 goes to 0. So here comes as 6, which is not goes to 0. So the best way to solve is it like this. LHS as this equals to is equals to equals to is equals to, which is not equals to RHS. This is the correct way to solve this type of equations. So we can say that x equals to minus 3 is not a root of 2x square minus 7x plus 9 so 0. This is your answer. Friends, now we'll solve question number 4. Where the value of x is given as under root 2 by 3, and we have to put this value in the equation, this. So put it 3 into square. First of the bracket, on squaring root 2 by 3, the simplified form I am showing to you. So this is, it can also be written as this. So after solving this, it can be 2 division 4 and 3 is 9. It can also be written as 2 by 3. So I have written this directly here. Plus m under 2 by 3 equals to minus 2. I have sent plus 2 to that way. Now this will be cancelled, 3 3. It is 2 plus m under 2 by 3 goes to minus 2. So now send this 2 to here. This will become minus 4. So I am writing directly minus 4. Now keep m here. And send under root 2 by 3 to this side. So it will be minus 4 into under root 3 by 2. It will be reciprocal. Now square both sides. It will be m square equals to 4 for the 16 in positive into this will be 3 by 2. Like I have showed you before, the same thing is here. This will be 8. So m is equals to 24. So now come here, m is equals to under root 24. So now m is equals to, take the LCM of 24. It is 2 into 2, that's 4 into 2 into 3. It is 6, 12 into 24. So you can see here that 2, this are pair, so 2 will be come out, and inside will remain 6. Friends, the answer is 2 under root 6. But I think in book it is written as minus 2 under root 6. You can check it in another sites, but according to me the answer is 2 under root 6. And friends, number 5 is homework. Now we will start with exercise 5b. Question number 1, part B. 1 part A, B and C are homework. We will do number D. Here take LCM of x for both sides. It will be x square plus 1. Here 2.5 can also be written as 5 by 2. Cross multiply 2x square plus 2 is equals to 5 x. Send this 5x to this side. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now divide it in such a way that the multiple of the two So now divide minus 5x in such a way that their sum will be equals to minus 5x and their product will be equals to the product of these two. So it will be 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2. So it will be minus minus plus, so plus 4x and 2 4 x square. Then my multiple is also x square. Here we have to multiply minus 4x in such a part Here we have to multiply minus 5x into two parts such that the sum equals to minus 5x and the product is equals to the product of these two. So the product of these two equals to 4x square. Now assuming it as minus 4x and minus x. So their sum is equals to minus x square and the product will be equals to minus plus 4x square. So since these two are equal, So these two are correct. Take it here. Solve it further. Here the two products, the two factors are 2x minus 1 and x minus 2. So it will go x equals 2 and it will go x equals to 1 by 2. The factors are this and this, 2 or 1 by 2. Now solve this. We have to do the same with the LCM. It will be 2x square plus 5 equals to 5. Multiply it and this as one side. It will be 2x square plus 5 is equals to 5x. Send 5x to this side. It will be 2x square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now I have to divide it in such a way that we have done here. But minus 5x is not easy to split into equal parts. We will solve by using the discriminant formula. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 5 and C is equals to 5. So I am using this part and solving this here. First write the formula of discriminant. So we will write the formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus underscore b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is the formula of discriminant. Divide by 2a. With the value is minus b is minus 5 plus minus under root b square. B square of this minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5. Divide by 2 into a, that is 2. To solve this will become 5 plus minus, this will be 25 minus 4 to the 8 and 8 for the 40. So minus 40 divided by 4. It will be 5 plus minus, this will be minus 15 by 4. So now divide. So now there are two signs plus and minus, so separate it. It will be 5 plus and root minus 15 by 4 as one side and 5 minus and root minus 15 by 4 on one side. Friends, here since the root is negative, so it will be undefined, we are taking it as 0. So friends, here both the roots are coming nearly equal, and coming to the answer, we can say that E part 1 is the correct, because it is saying that x is not equal to 0, and here it is not equal to 0. It is 1 over 1 by 4, and the rest all answers are far away from our answer. So we will go up with option number 1, and here is the answer. So friends, in this question number 2 is homework. Friends, in this chapter basically the one which looks a bit complex is solved easily, but one which are very short and they have to solve it, they are a bit more tricky. So I am solving that type of question, like x square minus 16. It is short but a bit complex, and some students may get confused. So I am solving this type of questions because those questions which are a little big, we are solving from 8 and 9. So you have a practice. Like question number 2, which I have eliminated. They are easy, but a big equation than 3 number. So I'm solving number 3. X square is equals to 16, setting minus 16 this side. X is equals to underscore 16. X is equals to plus minus both, plus 4 or minus 4. Now we'll solve number 4. Take 2 as LCM of both. 2 will be multiplied with this variable also. It will be 4x square minus 1x of simply x is equals to 0. 2 will go here, so it will be 0 only. 4x square minus x is equals to 0. Send minus x to this side. 4x square is equals to x. Now if 1x is multiplied, go this side, it will be divided, cancelled. So 4x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1 by 4. By 4. You have to find one more root, so you can take it a default value as 0. Because here already it is given as equalized to 0, so you can take it as 0 also. And if you put this here, so now wait, I will solve. So if you will put 0 here, the answer will be 0. Let me show you. Since 0 is multiplied with every question or divided, the answer is 0. But I will show you also. 2 into 0 square is 0, minus 1 by 2 into 0 is equals to 0. This will be 0, minus this will be 0. So 0 is the default value you can take for sure, and this will be an answer as a root also. So friends, now we'll solve number 7. Question number 5 and 6 are homework, but the answer will be in the description box. Solve number 7. First open these two brackets. So x with 2x will be 2x square plus x with 8x, 1 with 2x plus 8. Here it will be x square, 7x plus 3x and plus 21. Variables one side and constants one side. So 2x square minus x square, this will come here with negative sign, plus 8x plus 2x minus 7x and minus 3x is equals to 21. This will come here as minus 8. So 2x minus x square will be x square plus 8 plus 2 is 10, and minus 7 minus 3 will be minus 10. So 10x and minus 10x will cancel. So it will be on the other side as on solving 21 minus 8, the answer will come as 13, send 13 here, x square minus 13 equals to 0. Now we will square both sides, right? Squaring both sides. Now it will become x square minus 13 whole square. We can write this also according to this formula: a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. See friends, you have to apply these types of formula in solving these questions, not only in quadratic but in other chapters where it is needed. So it will be x square minus 13 and x square plus 13 equals to 0. Now x square is equals to under root is equals to 13 and x square is equals to minus 13. Now x is equals to under root 13, x is equals to minus under root 13. Minus will be outside and the root will be only on 13. Now x is equals to 3.61 and here x is equals to minus 3.61, and this is your answer. Here first you have to solve 2x minus 3 whole square. So 4, according to formula, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is 2x, so we will have 4x square plus b is 3, 9, 3 square is 9. Now minus 2 times ab means 2x into 3. We have to ignore the minus sign because the minus is already here. So 3 to the 6, we have 12 x minus 2x minus 3 minus 14 is equals to 0. Multiply 4 with this equations. Now multiply 4 with these terms. 4 for the 16x square plus 9 for the 36 minus 48x minus 2x minus 3 minus 14 is equals to 0. 16x square, below one side and constants one side. So it will minus 48x minus 2x equals to 30 minus 26 plus 3 and plus 14 is 16x square minus 50x equals to minus 36 plus 17. So it will come as minus 19 is equals to 16x square minus 15x. Now friends, sorry, but there is one correction. Here minus will be multiplied with both. So it will be minus 2x and minus minus will become plus. So plus 3. So here it will be minus 3. So here it will be minus 39 plus 14. So it will come as minus 25. So 16x square minus 50x plus 25 is equals to 0. 20 we will get 400, and on taking the LCM and calculating this, I came in a conclusion that 10 and 40 will be the roots of minus 50x. Minus 40x minus 10x plus 25 is equals to 0. 16 for outside, 4x, here 4x will come out, 4x minus 10, here plus 1, sorry, minus 1, here 10x minus will be 8. Now you have to confirm and make sure that these two roots value come as same. So we come with 8x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 as 0. So here x will be 5 by 8 and here x will be 5 by 2. So both are answer.
We will solve number 9. So here first you have to cross multiply these two parts and these two parts. So doing this, 3x minus 2 and x plus 4 and this 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 8. Now multiply these two terms with each other. It will be 3x square minus 2x plus 12x minus 8. Now this side, 6x square minus 9x now minus 16x and plus 24, because these two signs are positive, negative, so minus is plus. Now variables one side and constants one side. 3x square minus 2x plus 12x minus 6x square, this and this, plus sign will be reversed, 9x plus 16x is equals to 8 minus 24, sorry, plus 24. Now solve the variables with same power. This will come minus 3x square. Solve these two and these two. So this will be 10x and 25x, so 15x. So 35x. And this will be 32. So now send these two terms to this side so that minus 3x square will become positive. So it will be 3x square minus 35x plus 32 is equals to 0. Now we have to break this in such a manner that on multiplying these two terms, the product becomes the product of these terms and the sum becomes 35x. So these two terms are 32x and 3. So solving it on this side, 3x square minus 32x, 3x plus 32 equals to 0. Friends, 32 into 3 and 32 into 3, so the thing is same. Minus will be plus, but a sign will be minus. So ultimately this term will come. Solve this 3x minus, so this will just be x minus 32, 3x minus 32 minus 1, 3x minus 32. So x minus 1 and 3x minus 32 equals to 0. Now solving these two individually, this will come x is equals to 1 and this will come x is equals to 32 by 3. So these two are yours as 10 whole 2 by 3. Again the same question, just the thing is to classify it in natural and real numbers. That's why I'm solving this question also. So 2x square, it will be minus 5x and minus 4x plus 10 is equals to 0. Because 5 and 4 on multiplying gives the product of these two, like 5 4 is 20 and 10 2 is also 20, and on adding these two terms we will get this. So it is a midterm split. Now solve this, classify by grouping it. So x will be out to 2x minus 5 minus 2 will be out x 2x minus 5, it will be 0. So x minus 2 and 2x minus 5 are the two terms. Now it on separating it, it will be x equals to 2 and x is equals to 5 by 2. Now we have to arrange in natural numbers and real numbers. So here natural number is 2 and the real numbers are 2 and 5 by 2 both. Number 11, here these are the two terms in addition, and this is equals to 2 whole 1 by 2. So this can be written as 5 by 2. 2 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 5 by 2. Now we have to take the LCM of these two terms. So it will be the product of it, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Now on the above we have to multiply this and this and this and this. So we can say that this will be the square of it. Now cross multiply 2 with this and 5 with this. And at the same time we will open these two brackets also. This will go x square plus 3 3 is 9 minus 2ab. 2 into 3 that's 6 x and plus this term x square plus 9 plus 6x is equals to 5 into the product of this. So it will be x square minus 3 square, that is 9. Now solve this, but before we have to solve in the bracket and then we will open it. And minus 6 and plus 6 will be cut off, and 9 plus 9 is 18. Now it is 5x square minus 9. Now open the brackets on both sides. So it will be 2 to the 4 x square plus 18 to the 36 is equals to 5x square minus 45. Now variables one side and constants one side. So it will be solving it here. 4x square minus 5x square is equals to minus 45 minus 36. So it will be minus x square is equals to minus 81. So max will be cut because both sides we have minus. Now x is equals to under root 81. So it will be plus minus 9. So the roots are plus 9 and minus 9 as your answer. Friends, 12 number is for homework. I will solve number 30. So here first I have to take the LCM of both the denominators, which are x minus 2 and x plus 6. And then above we have 5 into x plus 6 minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 4 by x. Now solve the denominator. It will be x square minus 2x plus 6x minus 12. And then above we have 5x plus 30 minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 4 by x. Now we will do cross multiplication, x with the numerator and 4 with the denominator. So we have 5x plus 30 minus 3x plus 6 into x and 4 into x square minus 2x plus 6x minus 12. So now open the brackets and solve. It will be 5x square plus 30x minus 3x square plus 6x. So x with every term is equals to 4x square minus 8x plus 24x minus 40. So now we will simplify 5. So now friends, we will simplify first on either side of the equality sign. So 5x minus 3x square, it will be 2x square, 30x plus 6x, so plus 36x. Now this side 4x square minus 8 plus 24, so it will be plus 16x minus 48. Now 2x minus 4x square, variables one side and constant one side. So it will be minus 2x square plus 20x plus 48 is equals to 0. I have sent minus 48 to left side, and on solving this it will be 20x, 36 minus 16 is 20, and 2 minus 4x is minus 2. Now make the sign positive, we will multiply with minus 1. So it will be 2x square minus 20x and minus 48 is equals to 0. So now we have to break this term, minus 20x. So it will be minus 24x minus 4x, plus 4x minus 48 is equals to 0. So here 2x will be out, x minus 12 plus 4x x minus 12 is equals to 0. So here x minus 12 and 2x minus plus 4 are the factors. So x is equals to 12 and x is equals to 4 minus 4 by 2 is also equals to minus 2. In this question, first we have to take the LCM of this and this on the separate terms and solve. This will be by 1 and by 1. It is hidden here. So, solving x plus 1 as the denominator, above will be x plus 1 into 1. So, it will always be x plus 1 plus 1 this term. And here x minus 1 into 1, it will be x minus 1 only, minus 1 by x minus 1 as the denominator, then 7 by 8. Now solve this, it will be x plus 2 by x plus 1 and this is x minus 2 by x minus 1. Now open both sides, x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 and x minus 1. So they will know one will be get reduced. So multiply it directly, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it will be x minus. Friends, here is one identity we applied. The identity is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So it is plus and minus. So a plus b and a minus b. So it will directly be x square minus 2 to the 4, and below it will be x square minus 1 is equals to 7 by 8. So now cross multiply it. It will be 8x square minus 4 is equals to 7x square minus 1. I'm solving it here. It will be 8x square minus 48 minus 32 is equals to 7x square minus 7. Variables one side and constant one side. So it will be 8x square minus 7x square is equals to minus 32. Plus 32 minus 7. It will be x square is equals to 25. So x is equals to under root 25. So x is equals to plus minus 5. So it can be plus 5 or minus 5. Both are the roots. Question number 15. I will solve both the parts because it is new to you and not much question of this type is given. But once I will solve this, try to solve this by yourself and then I will solve it. So on finding the roots, what we write? Like x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 5. So same we have to do it here. The roots are given 3 and 5. So it will be similar that x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 5. So if we will send 3 to this side and 5 to this side of the equality sign, can it be written as x minus 3 and x minus 5? So now close the brackets, make it equal to 0, and now here's the equation. Open the brackets, it will be x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15 is equals to 0. It will be x square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0 as your final. Similarly, this will be solved like this, but first you try to do it yourself. Pause the video and solve. So now I hope that you have done it. Comment me if you have done that I have done, and check the answer. If it comes right, then write in comment section that I have got the right answer. So now roots are x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 3. So sending minus 2 to this side, it will be x plus 2 and x minus 3. So now framing it as an equation is equals to 0. So open the brackets, x square minus 2 plus 2x minus 3x and minus 6 is equals to 0. It will be x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0, and this is the final answer. What is the homework? In 16 part 1, you just have to solve solve the denominators by taking LCM as 3 into 6 minus x and then cross multiplying with both sides and then midterm split. So it is for homework, but the answer will be in the description box. I am solving question number 16 part 2. It's a normal question, but when you will solve it further, you will get to know that it is not a simple question because this is not a quadratic equation. Let's find it out. Take LCM as 4 on both sides. So 4 into 9 is 6 x square plus 3x plus 4 to the 8 is equals to 0. So 4 will go that side. 36x square plus 30 plus 3x plus 8 is equals to 0. Because 4 when multiplied with 0, it will be 0 only. So now split the midterm. Sorry friends, here it will be minus AB because minus is with A and B both. So minus A into minus B. So it will be like this. So this also we have minus and minus. So x square minus A square minus 2AB minus B square is equals to 0. So we can write it as x square minus A minus B whole square is equals to 0. So now friends, you have to use the discriminant formula. Here you have to find a, b and c by comparing ax square bx plus c. So here a is equals to 36, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 8. Now putting it in the formula of x, this discriminant formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac dividing by 2a. Now putting the values minus b and 3, so it will be minus 3, then plus minus under root b square means square of 3 is 9 minus 4ac, so 4 into 36 into 8 divided by 2 into 36 because a is 36. Now solving it further, minus 3 plus minus under root 9 minus this will be 1152 divided by 2 into 36, that is 72. Now solving further, minus 3 plus minus, solving it we will get minus 1143 divided by 72. Now we have to separate the plus and minus, sorry, it will be 72. Now we have to separate the plus and minus separately and solve it. So we have to find the under root of minus 1143. Since under root of minus 1143 is not possible because negative root is not possible, so it is not a quadratic equation. Now in this question 17, you have given three statements, means three equations that can be written as a is equal to minus 7 and b is equals to minus 10. Now putting the values of a and b in this equation, in 12x square is equal to ax minus b, sending the ax minus b to the left side, 12x square minus ax plus b is equals to 0, putting the values 12x square minus 7x, so it will be plus 7x plus b, it's minus 10, so minus 10 is equals to 0. Now doing the midterm split, 7x into 12 and minus 10, so the midterm will be 15x minus 8x Now grouping these, taking out 3x outside and inside 4x plus 5, and on that side minus 2 will be out, and in the bracket we have x minus 4x minus plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we have 3x minus 2 on one side and 4x plus 5 as the factors of the above equation. Now solving it separately, we have x is equals to 2 by 3, and that side we have x is equals to minus 5 by 4 as your answer. So now in this question we have 2x plus 3 is equals to y, and below we have 2x plus 3 square minus 2x plus 3 minus 14 is equals to 0. So we can clearly see that y is equals to 2x plus 3 and can be replaced. So replacing 4y square minus y minus 14 is equals to 0. Now it is very easy to solve. Now split y into two parts, that's 4 and minus 14. So friends, it's very easy, so I'll leaving it for you. Please solve it, it's homework. So now in this question, this is a bit different. We have to take the LCM a and x, taking LCM. Now we have to multiply x with x and a with a plus b. So multiplying it, we have x square minus a square plus ab. Here minus is with both a plus b, so it will be minus a square minus ab is equals to ab plus b square divided by ax. Here ax and ax are same, so it will be cut. Now we have x square minus a square minus ab is equals to ab plus b square. So now sending all the variables to one side. Sorry friends, here it will be minus ab, because minus is with a and b both, so minus a into minus b, so it will be like this. So this also we have minus and minus, so x square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square is equals to 0. So now writing x square, keeping the minus out as a whole, and inside we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. It's the identity of a plus b whole square, so we have x square minus a plus b whole square, because minus we have separated from whole. Now we have x square is equals to a plus b whole square, because when we send minus, that side will become plus. Here on taking the under root, both the squares will get cut, so we have x is equals to a plus b. First we have to give it plus minus because it's under root, because both can be the factor. Now in this question we have to take we have to multiply these two equations, that is 1200 by x plus 2 into x minus 10. So multiplying it, we have 1200 divided by x into x, then plus 2x, then 1200 into minus 10, so we have minus 12000 divided by, we have x. Now plus 2 into 10, so we have minus 20 is equals to 60 plus 1200, sending 1200 to that side, it will become plus positive, then it will become 1260. X will get cut because both are multiplied. So now we have 2x minus 12000 by x. Now sending 1200 minus 22, that side we have 1260 minus 1200 plus 20, because sign will be reversed, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So we have minus 1200 and plus 20, directly solving we get 1180 as negative, and we have then 80. Now taking the LCM again, LCM as x we have 2x square, then we have 1 2 0 0. Now x will go that side with 80. We will have 2x square minus 1 to 0 0 is equals to 80x. It can be written as this also. Now writing that side, first writing the 2x square part by dividing with 2. We have x square minus 40x plus 6000 equals to 0, divided by 2. Now we have x square minus 100x plus 60x plus 6000 is equals to 0, divided by minus 40 into two parts. We have x as out, then x minus 100 plus 60 out, then we have x minus 100 again. So you have to keep in mind that both sides we get x minus 100. This will be negative because the term has been shifted on the side of equality. We have x minus 100 and x plus 60 as your factors. Now solving each separately, we have x equals to 100 and x is equals to minus 60. So these are your final answers. Exercise 5c. So in this whole exercise, you have to use two formulas. First one is this: discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. And another formula to find the x, that is the factor, is x square minus b plus minus underscore d by 2a. So here d, the value of d is b square minus 4ac. You can put it in this formula to find the discriminant, the value of x. So let's start. Solve number 1 part A. In this particular question, you have to do the midterm split. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So instead of doing midterm split, we compare this with this. So a is 1 like this wise. So x square means taking the coefficient of x square, and in then next part coefficient of x and then c. So comparing with ax square, we get a is equals to 1 because a 1 is not written. Then b with bx we will get b is equals to minus 3 because minus 3 is the symbol, and c is plus 2 on comparing. So now use the formula of x, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b square minus 4ac is discriminant, so write the formula of discriminant: b square minus 4ac so now put the values minus b and minus 3, that is positive 3, plus minus b square, that is we have here 9, solving it directly, minus 4 into a into c, so 4 1 is 4 and into c, that is minus 8, divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So here above we have 3 plus minus under root 1 divided by 2. So plus and minus, there are two options. You have to solve with plus also and with minus also. So we have 3 plus 1 because under root of 1 is 1 and square of 1 is 1. So we have 1, 3 plus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2 means 4 by 2 is equals to 2, and 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So the two roots are 2 and 1, in which both are positive. So you can go up with option. I think so it's better to go with. Here friends, you can see that these two parts or and you have to go with option number or, because either of the two options we have to select either 2 or 1, not both 1 and 2. So you have to go with the proper option number part 2, that is 2.0 or 1.0. Okay friends, here your homework I am writing here, one part B, one part D and one part E, but the answer will be in the description box. So now solving part C. I'm choosing this because I find this a bit different from others. On comparing, we have a is equal to 1, b is equals to minus 8, c is equals to minus 10. We have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c. So on putting in the formula of finding the x using discriminant, write the values. After writing the formulas, we have x equals to minus b, means minus and minus will get cancelled, so plus 8 plus minus under root b square means minus 8 into minus 8, so both minus, so it will be positive, that is 64, minus 4 into a into c, so it will be minus 36 and minus, so it will be positively 36, because 1 into minus 9 and in 36, so plus 36 and 2 into 8, that is 2. So now we have 8 plus minus both under root. On solving this we will get 100 divided by 2 into 1, that is 2. So now we will write 8 plus under root 100, that is 10 divided by 2, and other side we have 8 minus 10, 8x equals to 8 minus 10 divided by 2. Here we will get 18 minus 18 by 2 is equals to 9, and that we will get minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So you can go with option number part 2, that is 9 or minus 1. We don't have to choose the decimal part, because 9 or minus 1, it's simple itself, and you are using or, not and, in your answer. Here we have both as answers, either 9 or minus 1, not using and, because both cannot be the answer at the same time. So friends, now let's write the option, that is option number part 2. So friends, here your homework is 2 part 1. So now solve 2 part 2. In the question we have 5x square plus 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. And comparing with x square plus bx plus c, we will get a is equal to 5, b is equals to 10, and c is equals to minus 3. Now using in the formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now x is equals to, write it the given, minus b plus minus under root b square, that is 100, minus 4 into c, that 4 into 5 is 20 into minus 3. Let's write it, then solve. 2 into 5, that is a. I'm solving it here. We have x equals to minus 10 plus minus under root. So now solve it. We have 100 plus, so 5 into 4 is 20, then minus 3, that is 60, and minus is there, so plus 60 divided by 2 into 5, that is 10. Now x is equals to minus 10 plus minus under root 160 divided by 10. Now x, we have to take the under root 160 in a decimal form. X is equals to minus 10 plus minus, take its plus, so the value of under root 160 is 12.64 divided by 10, and x is equals to minus 10 minus 12.64 divided by 10. The difference is that there is plus and there is minus. So now solve it. Minus 10 and plus 12.64. So the answer we will get as 2.64 divided by 10. So this will get 0.264.
Now here minus 10 and minus 12.64 will get minus 22.64. We are adding because minus and minus are the same, and this will get added. So 22.64 divided by 10, we will get this as minus 2.264. So we have two roots, and these are your final answer. Friends, on rounding it, we will get 0.3. 4 will make it 6, and 6 will make it 3. Now 4 will make it remain 6, and 6 will make it forward, that is 3, that is answer will be 2.3. If the number is greater than 5, then it will get shifted to one step forward, and if it is smaller, then it will get shifted to the backward 10th term. Now you have part 3 part 1 and 3 part 3 as homework. I will solve 3 part 2. So let's solve it. So now first let's take the LCM. The reason is this, because we may get confused with 6x by x. So first take the LCM of x with 4x and 6x by x. So you simply have to use to compare x square plus bx plus c. So here first take the LCM as x, then you have 4x square plus 6x plus 13. But while taking it also in the LCM, we have 13x is equals to 0. Now send x to that side, it will be null, that is 0. So we have 4x square plus 6x plus 13 is equals to 0. Now solving further, we have 4x square plus 6x and 13x. We will get it as 19x is equals to 0. There will be no x with 6. So erasing all the faults, it is x. Now we have 13x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now you can do midterm split, but comparing with x square plus bx plus c, we have a is equal to 4, b is equal to 13, and c is equals to 6. So now solving it this side, we have x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now filling in the givens, we have minus 13 plus minus now b square, that is 169, 13 square is 169, then minus 4 into 6 divided by 4 into 2. Now we have minus 13 plus minus under root 169 minus this will be minus 4 into 4, that is 16 into 6, that is 96, minus 96 divided by 4 into 2, that is 8. We have minus 13 plus minus under root, this one solving will get here 3, and this will get here 8, sorry 7. So 73 now divided by 8. So now we will have minus 13 plus under root 73, the value is 8.544 divided by 8, and the other side we have minus 13 minus 8.544 divided by 8. Now on solving it further, one have plus and one have minus. So plus minus is minus, so taking the sign of bigger one, that is minus, we will get minus 4.456 divided by 8, and this side you will get you have to simply add, that is, now here we will have minus 0.557, and this side you have minus 2.693. Part 1. Here a is 3, b is minus 12, c is minus 1. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b is 12, minus 12, then minus 2 plus minus under root 4 square is 144 minus 4 3 are 12. Sorry. Yes, 4 3 are 12, then minus 1. So it will become minus 12. Sorry, plus 12. Divided by 2, that is 6. So now we have 156 divided by 6. So 156 can be written as 12.4899 divided by 6, and here 12 minus 12.4899. Here we are taking 4 decimal places because in question we are asked with 3 decimal places. So at the last we will round off the 4th decimal place to 3rd decimal place. You always have to take one step, 1 decimal place more than it is asked. So if I put further, we will have 24.4899 divided by 6, and so now here we have this part as minus 0.4899 by 6, and now solving it further we will have 0.0816, and this will have 0.0816. Now rounding it off to the 3rd decimal place, we will get here 4.082 because 6 will move one step forward. So we have 82, and here we have 0 minus 6. So since it is negative, so we will reverse the. So now the answer comes as 0.08 as your answer. 7. Here you may get confused by seeing this, but let's simplify this first, then we will solve further. So x minus 1 whole square, by using the identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a square is x square, b square is plus 1 square, that is 1 only, so keeping it 1, minus 2 into ab. So 2 into ab is 2x. Minus 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. So x square plus 1 and 5 are same, so it will be plus 5, and minus 2 and minus 3, that is minus 5, x is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 5, and c is plus 5. And c is plus 5. So now putting this in the formula, this x square is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In the values minus 5 and minus go to plus minus b squared is 25 minus 4 into ac. A into c, that is 5. I follow 20, keeping it as 20 directly, divided by 2 into a, that is 2. Now here we have 5 plus under root 5 by 2, and here we have 5 minus under root 5 divided by 2. 2.23 divided by 2, 5 minus 2.23 divided by 2. Here we have 7.23 divided by 2. Here we have 0.77 divided by 2. Now solving it, we will get 61 and 1.38. So now we are asked of two significant figures, means any two figures, whether left or right side of decimal, excluding 0. at the front or back. So here we have no 0, so directly the two numerals 1 to 9, any two numerals, because we are asked with significant figures. No matter whether it's decimal or right or left of the decimal, no matter. So here we have 3.6 and here we have 1.3. No need to round off. Suppose if we have 0.61, then we have to eliminate 0 and write 0.61 only directly. So friends, thank you. We have homework as 4 part 2, 5 and 6, but the answer will be the description box.
We will solve exercise 5D. Here you have one part A, B, D and E as your homework. Now in this exercise we have to remember three formulas or three things. Like if discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. If d is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. But if d is less than 0, then imaginary roots. Means no real roots does exist. So now let's solve this question. So here in this exercise we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c and find the value of a as 1, b as minus p and c as 4. Now doing discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. B square is minus p square, that is p square only, minus 4 into 1 into 4 is equals to p square minus 16. It can be written as is equals to 0. Here p square is equals to positive 16 and p is equals to plus minus 4. So your answer is positive 4 and negative 4 both. So you will go with option number 4. Either plus 4 or minus 4. 2 and 3 are homework. I will solve question number 4. In question number 2, you just have to state that whether the roots are real, equal, unequal or imaginary or no real roots on the basis of discriminant. Like I have said that discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. If d is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. But if d is less than 0, then it's unequal or imaginary roots. You have to do this only in question number 2. So now I will solve number 4. Now in question number 4, it is given that roots are equal, means it is real also. So we can directly equalize it to 0. Find the value of a, b and c. We have m minus 2 minus 5 plus m and 16. Now discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. b is this. On squaring it we will get 5 plus m whole square, minus minus is plus, so it will get cancelled. Minus 4 into a, that is m minus 2 into c, that's 16. It will be 5 times 25 plus m square minus plus opposite 10m minus 64m minus 2. Here we will have 25 plus m square plus 10m minus 64m plus 128. Now solving it this side, 25 and 128. Add both, we will get 153. Then 10m minus 64m, we will get minus 54m and m square plus m square. Now here we have to do the midterm split. Arrange it into sequence m square minus 54 m plus 153 is equals to 0. Now we have to split minus 54 into 51 m and 3m. This will be plus 53 is equals to 0. Now we have m outside, m minus 51, here minus 3, m minus 1 is equals to 0. Here m minus 51 and m minus 3 is equals to 0. Now m is equals to 51 and m is equals to 3 as the final answer, either 51 or 3. Now, following this question, you will have to find the discriminant. In this question, we are given with the roots are real and distinct, means unequal. So we can say that discriminant is greater than 0. So discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. It is greater than 0. B square, finding a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 6 and c is equals to k. In this question we have to find the value of k. So b square is minus 6 square, that's 36 minus 4 into a is 3 into c is k greater than 0. Now 36 minus 4 is 12, k is equals to, is greater than 0. Now here 30, here minus 12, k greater than minus 36. Minus will be cancelled, so it will be 12 less than 36. 12k, here k greater less than 36 by 12, that's 3. So k is less than 3. Now it is not given that it is natural numbers or whole numbers, so we will not replace it with certain set, that is not 2 or extra. The answer will be k is less than 3. And then number 6 we are given that x is equals to 2, means the x is the root of the equation as stated in the question. It means that the value of x is 2. You have to find the value of p and the value of q using the formula of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now find, first put x as 2 in both. It will be that is 3 into 4 minus p into x plus 1, that is 3 equals to 0. It's 12 minus 3p is equals to 0, means 12 is equals to 3p. 12 divided by 3 is equals to p, means is equals to 4. The value is 4. Here without using the formula of discriminant, we are with the answer. So here we also not have to use the formula of discriminant because we do not need only. So p is equal to 2 only for this part. But for this you have to use only the value of 4 plus of p and x to find. So we have 4x square minus qx plus 9 is equals to 0. Now a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus q and c is equals to 9. So now discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. B square is q square, that is q square, it will be positive because minus is plus. Minus 4 into 4, that's 16, 69 the 144. So it will be q square is equals to 144, q is equals to plus minus 12 is the final answer. We will solve exercise 5e, question number 1, part B and C. 1 part A and D are homework, but the answer will be in the description box. Here first I have take the LCM of x and x minus 5. So it will be x square minus 5x, and above we have x minus 5 into 1, that is x minus 5 plus x into 1, that is x, is equals to 3 by 10. Now 10 into this part, so 10 into x and x is 2x minus 5 is equals to 3 into this part, x square minus 5x. Now open the brackets. 20x minus 50 is equals to 3x square minus 15x. Now send this part to this side. We have minus 3x square minus plus 15x plus 20x minus 50 is equals to 0. Minus 3x square, solve this part, you will get plus 35x minus 50 is equals to 0. Now make it as plus, so we have to multiply by minus 1. So it will get 3x square minus 35, the sign will be reversed, x minus plus 50 is equals to 0. Now that is midterm split is maybe possible, but you have to hunt more. But finding like this way in the discriminant formula is a bit easier. So you have 3 minus 35 and 50. Now x is equals to minus b, that is 35. Minus and minus will get cancelled, so 35 plus minus under root b square, means can have 35. You will get 1225 minus 4 is 6. So 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 into 50 is 600. Divide by 2 into a, so 2 into 3, that is 6. So now it is this part. That is 5 plus minus under root, this will get 2, 5, 6 to 5 divided by 6. So this will be under root 625 will be the square of 25. So 35 plus 25 by 6 and 35 minus 25 by 6. So this you will get 60 by 6, that is 10, and this you will get 10 by 6. You will get 5 by 3 as your answer. So you will go with option number 2. Because option number 1 says minus 5 by 3, so you have plus 5 by 3, and option number 2 says positive 10, so you have positive 10 as your answer. You can do midterm split also, and this also, this is a bit easier. So that's your solve. Now solve number C. Take the LCM is equals to 1, x minus 3 into x plus 5. So x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now on the above side we have x plus 5 into 1 and x minus 3 into minus 1. So you have x plus 5 minus x minus 3. To solve this, you will get x plus 5 minus x plus 3 is equals to 1, and in below you have x square, x into 5, 5x minus 3x and minus 15. To send this part to this side on multiplying with 1, thus remain the term will remain same. So x and minus x will get cancelled. 5 and 3 will be 8 is equals to x square plus 5x minus 6 will be 2x. 2x minus 15 is equals to, sorry, it's already equals to. So send 8 to this side. You will get x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 8 is equals to 0. So finally you have x square plus 2x minus, you have minus 23 is equals to 0. Now you can use your midterm speed also and the discrete formula and use discrete formula. I will use the discrete formula. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 23. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be plus minus under root b square, so 2 square is 4, minus 4 into 1 is 4 and a and into c. So minus will be plus, so 4 into 23 equals to 12 and 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, you have 92 divided by 2 into a is 2. So here you have x is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root 96 divided by 2. So now make it into two parts, minus 2 plus minus under root 96.79. You have to take two digits after the decimal. If it is not asked that give answer to this decimal place it properly. Divide by 2 and this is minus 2 minus 9.79 divided by 2. So this will be 2.79 by 2 is equals to, or this will be 7. 3.89 0.79 by 2. 0.89 as your answer. So you can go with option number 3 and 4 both. But in the back it's given that answer number 3. So you may get confused at what to choose and what not to choose. First, let me tell you that this type of options will not be given in examinations, like this type of tough answers or options. So you may relax. But for this part, let me satisfy you. In the part 4, it's saying that x is greater than 3 and x is smaller than 5. So on x greater than 3, there are many values. And on x smaller than minus 5.89, there are also many values. But if in 3, it's stated x is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to minus 5, you are sure that these are not the answers. And these are surely not the answers. Means 3 or minus 5. We have 5 minus 5.89 and 3.89. So you can go with the answer. Number 2. Here in the question, the hint is given as take or let x square is equals to y. So you have 2y square minus 5y plus 5 is equals to 0. into the midterm split, it will be easier because that's a smaller number. Minus 5y will be split into minus 3 and minus 2y. So do it. Minus 2y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. So by taking it out, we have 2y minus 3 minus 1, 2y minus 5, 2y minus 3 and y minus 1 is equals to 0. So now you have two options. Y is equals to 3 by 2 and y is equals to 1. So my dear friend, y is x square. So replace it. You have x square is equals to 3 by 2 and x square is equals to 1 is equals to plus minus 1 on taking the under root, and here x is equals to under root 3 by 2 means under 3 by under root 2. So let's rationalize it. You will get under root 3 by under root 2 into under root 2 by under root 2. So you have under root 6 by 2. 249 by 2, and now you will get to, so you have this answer in plus minus and this also in plus minus as your answer. You may leave it in this part, this form also, but it will properly live in this part directly. Now do number 3. Let x square equals to y. We have y square minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. To them we have minus 3y plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y on out, y minus 3 plus 1, y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y minus 3 and y plus 1 is equals to 0. So we have y is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 1. X square is equals to 3 and x is equals to under root 3 is equals to plus minus 1.2, and here x square is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to under root minus 1, and minus negative root is not possible. So your ultimate answer is plus minus 1.732. You can see that x square minus x is common to both. So let it be any variable. Let it as y. So you have y square plus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0. So y square plus 4y and y plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have y plus 4 plus 1, y plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have y plus 1 and y plus 4 is equals to 0. On separating it, you will get y is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 4. So y is equals to x square minus x is equals to minus 1. So x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Here you have x square minus x is equals to minus 4. So you have x square minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now on comparing it, find the values of a, b and c. X square minus x plus 1 is equals to 0, and x square minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to plus 1. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to plus 4. X is equals to minus b. So minus and minus 1 we get 1 plus minus under root t squared at 1 minus 4 into 1 into c. We have 4. We add the 2 into a, that is 2 is equals to 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2 minus b minus by minus 1 will get 1 plus minus under root b squared is 1 plus minus 4 into a into c. We have minus 16 divided by 2 into a, that is 2. So here x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 15 minus 15 divided by 2. Here friends, you can see that both the roots are minus. Root of minus is not possible. So no real roots. Homework for part 2 is similar to for part 1. Here you will get real roots as an answer. You will get 4 answers at last. Now come to part 1. Here let under root x by x minus 3 dy. So you will get here y plus 1 by y because x is below and x minus 3 is above. So it is reciprocal. So that's why 1 by y is equals to 5 by 2. So friends, the advantage of taking it as let your calculations become very easier and we can solve it later when the calculation is reduced. So that's why it's advantage to take it as this. So now take LCM. You have y square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 2. 2 into this you have 2y square plus 2 is equals to 5 into y. That's 5y. Send this to the side, you will get 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equals to 0. On doing the midterm split, you will get 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. You will get 2y outside and inside y minus 2 minus 1 y minus 2 is equals to 0. You will get 2y minus 1 and y minus 2. So y is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to positive 2. So now y is equals to this part. So solve it again further. Under root x by x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 and here under root x divided by x minus 3 is equals to 1 by square both sides. So this side will get x divided by x minus 3 and this side will get to 1 by 4 multiply 4x is equals to x minus 3. So 4x minus x is equals to minus 3. You have 3x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 1. And here do the same to remove the square. To remove the root, to square both sides, you will get x divided by x minus 3 is equals to 4. 4 into this and x. So x is equals to 4x minus 12. X minus 4x minus 12 is equals to minus 12. So it will be minus 3x is equals to minus 12. So x is equals to positive 4. So these two are your part 2 and 3 are homework. I will solve number 6, 7 and 8 will also be homework. I will solve number 9 and 10 and 11 will be homework. So let's solve this. You can see that x square plus 1 by x square and x plus 1 by x are identity of same means related. So take the smaller part as let x plus 1 by x as y. So if we do this, then x plus 1 by x whole square means y whole square is equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So it will be y square minus 2 if we set to this side, and you will get x square plus 1 by x square. So friends, you can see that we have get the value of x square plus 1 x square as y square minus 2. Now put it into it and solve. So 9 y square minus 2 minus 9 y minus 52 is equals to 0. Open the brackets, you get 9y square minus 18 minus 9y minus 52 is equals to 0. Solve this, you will get minus 70. 9y square minus 9y minus 70 is equals to 0. You will get 9y square minus 30y plus 21y minus 70 is equals to 0. Group it, and you have y 9y minus 30 plus so that's 3 10. Here 3 will be out. You have y 7. Here 7 will be out. You have 3y minus 10. Friends, you have to make sure that these two values remain same. So now further we will have 3y plus 7 and 3y minus 10. As final, you will have y is equals to minus 7 by 3 and y is equals to minus 10 by 3. Friends, value of y is this, so put it into this. So x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 7 by 3 and x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 10 by 3. So take LCM and then cross multiply. We have x square plus 1 by x is equals to minus 7 by 3. 3 into our part, we have 3x square plus 3 is equals to minus 7x. So 3x minus plus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. So you have to find the value. You can use the formula of discriminant. Here same, you have x square plus 1 divided by x is equals to minus 10 by 3. You have 3x square plus 3 is equals to minus 10x. 3x square plus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. And formula of discriminant. But first check that the roots are imaginary or real. So to check this, we have the formula of discriminant as b square minus 4ac. So b is 7, 7 square is 49, minus 4 into a into c. So 4 into a is 12, 12 into 3 is 36 is equals to 13. So since d is greater than 0, the roots are real. So you can solve this part to get your final answer. And here you also check b square is 100 minus 4 into a into c. So 4 into a into c you will get as 36. So d is equals to 64. So since here d was greater than 0, then the roots are real. So you can solve it further. You have 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. So group it, you have 3x x minus 3 plus minus 1, you have x minus 3 equals to 0. So 3x minus 1 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. You can also be x is equals to 1 by 3 and x is equals to 3. 2 else you have got and 2 more we have to find it here. Remember friends that our discriminant is 13. So that we do not have to calculate it. Again, in finding x. Using the formula of x is equals to minus b is minus 7 plus minus unto discriminant that is 13 divided by 2 into that is 6 plus minus 3.60 divided by 6 and minus 7 minus 3.60 divided by 6. So here is 3.40 by 6 and here you have minus 10.60 by 6 minus 0.53 and here you will have minus 1.76. So these four are your answer. Friends, the back answer is given as this only, but this will also be correct. Plus 5xby. So taking directly x square. So taking directly y is equals y plus 4 and y plus 6 is equals to 120. So multiply, you have y square plus 4y plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 120. So y square plus 10y minus 96 is 16y minus 6 minus 96 goes to 0. So now grouping it, you have y outside y plus 16. Inside you will have minus 6y plus 16 goes to 0. You have y plus 16 now and y minus 6 is equals to 0. So y is equals to minus 16 and y is equals to 6. So now y is equals to y is equals to x square plus 5x. So replace it, you will get x square plus 5x minus 16 equals to and x square plus 5x is equals to 6. So send it this side, you will get x square plus 5x plus 16 is equals to 0 and x square plus 5x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now friends, check both that whether the roots will be real or imaginary. So this is the formula of discriminant. B square means 25 minus 4 into A into C. So equals 64, and here it will be minus 39. So since D is smaller than 0, the roots are imaginary, so no need to solve this. And here we will have D is equals to B square means 25 minus 4 into C. So we have plus 24 means 49. So this will be real, so you have to solve this. So x is equals to minus b is minus 5 plus minus under root discriminant, that is 49, by 2 into a, that is 2. So minus 5 plus minus 7 divided by 2. So minus 5 plus 7 by 2 and minus 5 minus 7 by 2. So here you have 2 by 2, that is 1, and here you have minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6 as your answer.
Thank you. Please share this video to one topper, one average, and one backbencher at least. So it must help every student, and please comment the name of each type of student in your class or section. Thank you.